how credit works.
I'm about to give you more useful knowledge in 2 minutes than you've obtained within your whole high school career. That's wow. But just hold on for a second. These right here, these are the 5 factors of your FICO credit score. You might ask yourself, what is a FICO score? It's not the score that you see on Credit Karma. Please know that. Your FICO score is what 90% of lenders actually use today when they're pulling your credit report. But before we talk about using your FICO score, let's make sure it's right. So the first factor of your credit score is your payment history, which means basically just make sure you pay your bills on time. The second factor is your credit card utilization. So if you're using more than 10% of your available limit, like if you have a $2,000 limit and you spend more than 200, 9 times out of 10, you're hurting your credit score just by using your credit card. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean to close the card, just watch how you use it, meaning don't use more than 10% of what you have available. Now, the next factor is your credit age. It would be nice if it was considered the oldest account on your credit report, but it's not. It's actually the average. So if you have only 2 accounts on your credit report, one account is a year old and the other account is 3 years old. So 3 plus 1 equals 4 divided by 2 accounts. That's 2 years of credit age. Now, your credit mix is where it gets fun. So there's 2 types of credit accounts. There's revolving accounts, which are basically credit cards, store cards, secure cards, traditional cards. And then there are installment loans. So auto loans, mortgages, payday loans, personal loans, business loans. Those are considered installment accounts. So basically you want a good mixture between both in order to be deemed credit worthy in the eyes of the lender. Lastly is your inquiries. So there's a famous rule called the 524 rule, and it basically explains the fact that Chase, for example, will automatically deny you if you have more than 5 inquiries on your credit report within the last 2 years. So ideally you want less